Hi everyone, here is the month 8 update of my niche website number 7 which I am intended to flip it after a year. So I created a series of videos already. If you have not yet watched, please go and check it out. So let me quickly give you the update of month 8. So here are the analytics. So you can see there was a little dip in month 8, but if you observe from month 5 to nearly 4 to 7, there was a very steep growth. Then there was some turbulence in the month of November. You can see here the below the month on month comparison. So overall page views have come down by about 15% in the month of November, but not much concerned about it, because considering how steep it has grown in the month of October, probably a little bit of ups and downs are perfectly fine. That's about the analytics. And then coming to the financials, so for November month 8, you can see here the site earned $487.59, and I also spent some money towards content. Of course, in the month of October I didn't get any content written, but in the November I got few articles written. I'm going to publish those articles in the month of December. So I spent about $106.21. So net to net the site made $381.38 as a net profit in the month of November. That's a month 8 as part of this case study. So as you know, the site already started making profits, overall profits in the month of October itself. So now if you look at the month for month 8, it is 381 altogether. Till now the site made $496.72. that's the total net profit for this particular site. Those are the total the financials. And then coming to the trends, this is how it is. So you can see here there was a break even in the month of October, and then from there on it's actually growing well. And if you put these things side by side, the same numbers, you can see in the November there is overall the total profit is about $496.72. okay. Now coming to the return on investment, so as you can see the numbers here, 165 total profit is $1,653.43, and then total investment is 1156. So net to net, thus it is the return on investment is 143% so far, and this is excluding the site value. If you take about a 30x, it would be about nearly 8,000 to 9,000 of valuation, but I will get that money only when I sell the site. So for now, not considering it. Without considering it also, the site is now the return on investment for this site is about 143%. So these are the details I just wanted to share. If you have not watched the previous videos, please go and check it out, and if you have any specific questions, please do ask in the comment sections. I will keep posting the updates for this particular site month on month. Thanks for your time. Bye.